folks, Dan Frio here. The rate update today is April 26th, 2021. Don't go away. I'm going to show you what happened with mortgage rates today. We'll be right back. Okay, some durable goods orders came out this morning. The headlines read that they were great, but actually, based on the consensus of what all the analysts had, they were pretty dismal. But the one thing that affected the markets today was the 2-year and the 5-year Treasury auction, and they didn't go very well. So let's get on to what happened with mortgage rates today. What we follow here on this channel is the MBS market. This is the number right here of what's happening to mortgage-backed securities. This is the bond that trades on Wall Street that is the biggest component or factor or ingredient when it comes to mortgage rates. What do we know about this number? Well, when the number is down, rates go up. When this number, the price goes up, rates come down. 14 is a number that will affect rates, and we'll probably see that tomorrow because we didn't have a price change or a rate change today, and I'll get to you and explain that here in 1 second. The big news out today was the durable goods orders and the 2-year Treasury and 5-year Treasury. I'm sorry, I think I said a 5-year and a 10-year. 2-year Treasury auction and the 5-year Treasury auction. They came back with kind of light volume there, which wasn't good. But durable goods, you can see right here, durable goods orders. Last month was negative 0.9. The consensus was supposed to be 2.5. We came back at 0.5. So that isn't good news there. But that being said, here's what's going on in the markets. We have a nice upward momentum, and we had a little blip today, but let's see where these charts are taking us. If we follow the charts, that's where where we're going. But nothing always goes straight up. So this is fine. It's a little bit of a correction. You can see, and I'll get to this in a second, right around 10:30, between 10:30 and noon is when we had our kind of breakdown. But these Fibonacci levels are starting to come into play. That's right here. Well, this one's not going to come into play for a long time, I don't think. And here, these are what Fibonacci levels are, is basically ceilings and bottoms that are created through charting. So basically it means, we should bounce between these ranges here. So the Fibonacci level right here is the short-term top. And you can see it's kind of working out pretty decently. We hit it here, and we stopped and stopped and stopped. And then today we kind of approached it, then we had a reversal, and it was basically due to the 2-year and the 5-year Treasury auction. So that's where we're seeing the overall trend for the past couple weeks is a nice trend up. Where we see today happening is it was a nice trend up all day long, and then you can see here right about 10:15-ish, between 10:15 and 1 o'clock, we had this little consolidation and then a drop, and then it kind of consolidated from there. So the good news is we ended with a lot of green candlesticks here, which means buyers are stepping in at this point to buy up the market. What that means, again, is this number, if it goes up, meaning the price of the bond goes up, rates come down. So this is a nice trend right here. Basically we're flat on the day, and we're down 14 on the day, but if it wasn't for this correction midday, we would be okay. So now what's going on really with rates? Well, we survey over 25 different mortgage lenders throughout the country, and here's where the rates are sitting right at this point. And I go over the 30 years. If you want a customized rate for yourself, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a hold of us so you can get a rate quote within minutes. Okay, and we have a new app that just came out that you can do the same thing at that. Probably within the next 30 days, you'll be able to put your loan in, basically do the entire thing almost on your own. But that being said, let's see where rates are today. The 30-year conforming, jumbo, FHA, and VA. Conforming is at 314, jumbo 318, FHA 319, VA 275. Again, this is a blend of mortgage lenders all throughout the country. This isn't mine. Again, if you want a customized number or rate, please get a hold of us. I'll give you ample information next. The 1-day delta, 7-day delta, 4-week delta. Basically, delta means change. So the 1-day change, you can see basically nothing. The 7-day change, basically nothing. A basis point means 0.0 this. So for example, 1 basis point would be 0.01. Okay. 3 basis points would be 0.03. Okay, the change is, and we're being pretty steady for the last week or so, over a month period, we're down about an eighth, 0.125 across the board on all of these areas. So how do you find out what exactly you qualify for? Well, the first thing I'd like you to do is if you check out my YouTube channel, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the bell so every time I post a video, you get an alert. But you'll see over 800 channels. We're getting about 100 subscribers today, so thank you to you guys for helping me out there. So that's my YouTube channel. You can scroll through and there's a ton of information there. I also post every morning, I have been for about the past month, on the stock market. You can see this stock is up 85% today. I go over a stock that could help you out in your portfolio. So not only are we trying to save you money on your mortgage and get you the lowest rate, we're also trying to help you invest your money and make high returns. So how do you get us? Well, the best way to do it is click this button here. If you're using your phone and or a desktop, this is the new system we're moving to that'll basically put everything in the palm of your hand or at your desktop. Okay, there's a ton of tools you can use, free calculators, mortgage programs, and all that other stuff. But I would highly suggest just call us or get a hold of us. Why? We know what we're doing. We can put you into the right program, because if you're in the wrong program, you might be paying excess costs or higher fees or rates that you don't need to. Okay, the best way to do that is call us, 844-775-LOAN. Follow us on all social media. But if you work different hours or you're having a tough time getting a hold of us, please scroll up a little bit. There gives you a calendar. You can set up a 15, 30, or 60-minute consultation. You just click in that. It'll open up the days for you. You click the day, and then you can choose a time that fits where you can fit us in. Then we'll do this correspondence either with you, either via Skype, Zoom, or by the phone. Okay, so that's the best way to get a hold of us in all those areas. But if you want to get the ball rolling, just click here. Or if you want a rate quote, just click this right here, answer a few questions. We'll get a hold of you either by call or email to give you the exact quote that you're looking for. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell so every time I post a video, you get an alert. But if you're looking to build, buy, refinance, or if you're in a forbearance, please reach out to us and get some help. So God bless. Take care, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.